Do you say yes even when your body is screaming no? Hi, love. Welcome back. This is your space to breathe, reconnect, and remember who you are. People pleasing doesn't always look obvious. Sometimes it looks like agreeing even when you are uncomfortable, over explaining your boundaries, doing things just this once, again and again, smiling while feeling resentful, feeling responsible for everyone's emotions. You tell yourself you're being kind, understanding, flexible, but slowly, quietly, it starts to cost you. We are taught that being nice makes us good, so we say yes to avoid conflict. We adjust to avoid disappointment. We stay silent to keep the peace. But niceness without honesty turns into self abandonment. And self abandonment always shows up later as exhaustion, resentment, or distance from yourself. People pleasing isn't kindness, it is fear. Fear of being disliked, fear of being rejected, fear of being seen as selfish. So instead of choosing yourself, you choose acceptance. But the cost of constant yeses is losing your inner no. And when you stop listening to your no, your body starts speaking louder through tension, through fatigue, through frustration, because saying no doesn't just risk disappointing others, it risks changing how they see you. And for many women, being liked once meant being safe. So the body remembers, yes, keeps me connected, but connection that costs you yourself is not connection, it's survival. You don't need to become harsh to stop people pleasing. You don't need dramatic boundaries. You just need to pause before you say yes and ask yourself, can I say this without betraying myself? If the answer is no, that's information, not selfishness, not attitude, just truth. If this feels heavy, place a hand on your chest for a moment. You learned to please, to survive. You are allowed to outgrow that now. Choosing yourself doesn't make you unkind, it makes you whole. A woman who stops people pleasing doesn't stop caring, she starts including herself. You don't need to disappear to be loved. You don't need to say yes to be worthy. Your needs matter because you matter. Until next time, stay gentle, stay honest, stay you. If you want to sit with this a little longer, I've spoken about this more deeply on the Becoming Her podcast. The link is in the description.